I'm going to make a really delicious chocolate cake, which is going to be accompanied by some peanut butter and caramel. For the chocolate cake, we need our wet mix, which is going to be veggie oil, water, balsamic vinegar, and a little vanilla essence. Whisk, set aside. For our dry mix, we need plain flour, salt, cocoa, sugar, baking powder, and whisk. Combine the wet and the dry. Now pour evenly into two 8-inch tins. For the frosting, vegan butter, icing sugar, peanut butter.